Look who's joining us today to play Play-doh. It's the Peppa Pig family. Daddy Pig, Peppa Pig, George, and Mommy Pig. This is going to be so much fun. Look at all of the beautiful Play-doh colors. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Daddy Pig is up first. He loves the color teal. I have my green rolling pin. Let's start rolling out the Play-doh. It's a Daddy Pig shaped cutter. Let's press it in the Play-doh and see what happens.
Wiggle! Giggle! Play!
Look! We made Daddy Pig with the Play-doh. It's Peppa Pig's turn. Peppa's favorite color is pink. Let's get our green rolling pin and roll out the Play-doh. Look at our Peppa Pig shaped cutter. Let's press it into the Play-doh. Look, we made a Peppa Pig with the Play-doh. Now it's George's turn. George loves the color blue. It's time for our green rolling pin and to roll out the Play-doh. Here's our George-shaped cutter. He's so cute. Let's press press him down into the Play-doh. Look, we gave George with the Play-doh. It's finally Mommy Pig's turn. Mommy Pig's favorite color is orange. We have our green rolling pin and we're ready to get rolling. Look at our Mommy Pig cutter. Let's press her into the Play-doh. Look, it's Mommy Pig. She looks so lovely. That was so much fun, making all of the Peppa Pig Family characters with their favorite color Play-doh. Thanks for playing with us, Daddy Pig, Peppa, George, and Mommy Pig. See you next time.